how to deposit on MEXC Global using your Gcash. And first things first, if you haven't downloaded MEXC Global, just go ahead to your Google Play Store and just search in MEXC Global. After that, run the application and ensure that you already logged into your account. Now this is going to be your MEXC Global dashboard. So as you can see, there is going to be 5 options below, which is going to be home, markets, trade, futures, and wallets. Now go ahead to wallets and hit on deposit. Here you have 3 options: deposit crypto, P2P trading, and buy crypto. So since you'd like to be deposit any amount from your MEXC Global, just hit on deposit crypto and then choose on your desired Bitcoin. So for example, USDT, and choose on any of the networks you want. For example, choose on BSC, and then here MEXC Global will provide you or will generate you a unique QR code. So just choose on share address and you can go ahead and take a screenshot from this QR code and head directly to your Gcash account and run the QR code, and from there you should be able to pay for it. So that's how you go ahead and deposit in MEXC Global using your Gcash account.